What's up, Turbo Trends fam? Today we're diving into the adrenaline-fueled world of American muscle cars with the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This beast is back, meaner and leaner than ever. And we're here to break down everything that makes it a true king of the road. Buckle up, this is going to be a wild ride. Exterior, let's talk about the looks, because the 2025 GT500 doesn't just perform like a Predator, it looks like one too. Check out the massive front grille and the functional hood vents, designed to optimize airflow and keep that supercharged V8 cool under pressure. Then there's the carbon fiber touches, like the optional carbon fiber track package, which includes a stunning rear wing and lightweight wheels. This isn't just for show, folks, it shaves off precious weight and boosts performance. And don't forget those iconic quad exhausts. They're not just loud, they're symphonies of speed. Interior, step inside, and it's all about blending luxury with functionality. The GT500 features Recaro sports seats, wrapped in premium leather with optional Alcantara inserts, keeping you firmly planted during aggressive driving. The tech is top-notch too, with Ford's 12-inch digital instrument cluster and the latest Sync 4 infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for track enthusiasts, there's even a performance data recorder to analyze every lap. Performance under the hood. The 2025 GT500 packs a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. That's right, folks, this is one of the most powerful Mustangs Ford has ever built. Pair that with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and you're looking at a 0 to 60 time of just 3.4 seconds. Whether you're carving up the track or dominating the drag strip, this car is engineered for pure, unrelenting speed. But power means nothing without control, right? Ford has equipped the GT500 with MagneRide adaptive suspension, Brembo brakes, and an advanced electronic limited slip differential. Translation: you get razor-sharp handling and insane stopping power to match that monstrous speed. To sum it up, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is more than just a car, it's an experience. A perfect blend of history, innovation, and raw muscle. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or someone looking for unmatched performance, this beast is ready to deliver. So, what do you think, Turbo Trends fam? Is the 2025 Shelby GT500 the ultimate muscle car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic car reviews. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal.